Video got interrupted in between, but no problem. We will start from where we stop. So if you did not watch the first part, then go and watch that part. That is not the first part actually. We were continuing with the rise of the national industry. So go and watch that. We will continue from here. The Swadesi Bhandar established by Rabindranath Tagore became a reputed textile firm. Okay. Now at the prime time of Swadesi movement, Yogesh Chandra Chaudhary and Krishna Bihari Sen jointly, these two, okay, formed one store, that is Indian Stores. At which place? Bow Bazaar. At where? Calcutta. Okay. All the kinds of Indian, that is India, not that is Indian, okay, made products were sold in these establishments. Another woman from the Tagore's family named Sarla Devi, as I have already told, this one, that is from the Tagore family. Sarla Devi started what? Lokhi Bhandar, that is Lakshi Bhandar, at Cornwallis Street. Now presently it is known as a Bidhan Sarani. The United Bengal store was established by Abdul Halim Ghaznavi at Lal Bazar. Okay, some extraordinary people like Jagdish Chandra Bose, Prafulla Chandra Roy, Neil Ratan Sarkar, etc. plan to establish some heavy industries at Bengal to grow an atmosphere of self-development and self-reliance. At the initiative of Neil Ratan Sarkar, okay, at the plan of Neil Ratan Sarkar, Banga Lokhi cotton mill was established on 1st August on 1906. This is a large-scale industry, right? And Acharya Prafulla Chandra Roy started Bengal Chemical, okay, on 25th July 1906. Samsedji Tata established Iron Factory 1907 as a consequence, as a result, you can say, of the boycotting foreign goods and production of the local industries. The number of the imported, means bringing the goods from the outside, came to be very less. Okay, now we can produce our own goods. Okay, so due to the political movement in the Bengal, the foundation of the modern industries was laid in the various provinces of India. The first Indian Industry Summit, that is meeting, was held on 17 December 1905 under the chairmanship of R.C. Datta at Varanasi. And this summit, okay, this summit, now what is summit? A meeting between the heads of the government. Okay, this is the meaning of the summit. Was awakened the Indian about the prospect of the native or the indigenous means native industries in India. Even the revival of many national industries were possible after this summit. In the short, the Swadesi movement opened a new chapter in the progress of the Indian industries and business. So what did you learn in this one? That you see the step by step one industry is opening. Okay, and step by step the industries are opening. We are heading towards the development. Okay, there was a various summit was there, that is the you can say the meeting between the head of the governments and the industries owner, as a how they will establish or what the plan they will take next. So that was that. Now we came to know about the establishment of the rise of the national industries, how the national industries came in India. Next topic is about the establishment of the Muslim League. I know that I am working very hard in this video. If you are watching the video, please watch it carefully, because I like some questions in the live classes also, and when you will come in the classes, and I will get to know that you really watch the video or do you really attend that live class with the full attention or not. Okay, so I think that you are watching the video and the live classes also properly. Next we are going to start with the establishment of the Muslim League. I hope that will be a last topic, then we will continue with chapter 2. We will not stop here. So I hope that you are my explanation you can understand, and if you have doubt or something, you can call me up and you can ask me. Okay, till then, that take care. Thank you. Bye bye.